They making promises. That's what y'all doing over there, Rich. His girlfriend, he luring them. They making dreams come true. They making dreams come true. You said what?
Just got back, bro.
Making dreams come true.
Huh?
Nah, oh my God, that shit was hilarious. I am not gonna lie to you. You got on the Flavor Filet train. Holy shit. What?
Hey, hold
Flavor Filet? I'm just playing with you, Mike.
Yeah, I know. I was just going to tell you to recognize who you're talking to. What's with him?
Ah, shit. Here comes the backup.
Hey, look. Hey, Glock, I'm going to let you go to sleep, man. I don't know what type of shit you want to live rich.
Nah, man. I don't sleep, bro. I'm just going to be doing push-ups all night. Dude, I literally could stay up without sleep. I did not. I'm dead ass. I sleep with my eyes open.
Tyler, what you doing push-ups for, though?
I don't know, man. I'm just stay dangerous.
Stay dangerous?
And alert.
What the fuck gonna happen from the confines of your own home, bro?
I don't know, man. Man, I don't fucking know. Dude, I even lift up washing machines. I pick up washing machines, bro.
Alright, go to your washing machine, pick it up.
I gotta do it tomorrow because the light blew out in the garage.
You on some?
Actually, no, I got a video. I can show you the video.
I want to see you do it. If you do it right now,
I'll do it tomorrow, bro. I promise you.
$1,000 right now. Do it.
I gotta do it tomorrow.
Bitch, that's why. Because you say you're gonna do it, but you ain't gonna do it.
I'm gonna do it tomorrow. How much you want to bet?
I'm trying to go get a fake washing machine. I got $1,000 cash right now. You do it.
Dude, I'll do it tomorrow.
I want your mama to wake up and see you picking up the
No,
washing
dude.
Your ass.
Dude, I work out with that thing. I work out with it.
Right now, I got $1,000.
Dude, I will show you. Dude, I'll do it tomorrow.
Fuck tomorrow. I got $1,000 cash. You pick up a washing machine right now.
Dude, it's dark where I'm at, and the light in the garage don't work.
Fuck how dark it is. Go pick up the washing machine. I got $1,000.
Gotta do it tomorrow.
Well, deal off. I had $1,000 cash right now.
See, the one thing about me, I turned down 50 grand before. Come on. I'm a real nigga.
Oh, what you turned down? Anyway, nigga. That's how easy you is to jack. Go your pussy ass. Turn down 50,000. You turn down shit. You was jacked when you signed up. He was jacked when he signed up. Let's say he turned down a new T. What up, Bino? Me and Bino. My phone from the cut off, y'all. What up, little Tulsa? Nigga say he turned down 50,000 just to be loyal. Your ass need to be killed. You ain't turned down shit. You was jacked when you signed up. Add somebody up, Mike. I can't add nobody up. That shit from the cut off. Alright, y'all. I'm from the GG's. I'm out of here. Washing machine ain't heavy. Shit, for $1,000, shit, if he say he could pick it up, if a nigga offer me, if I say I can pick up a washing machine, I'm gonna go pick that bitch up if a nigga offer me $1,000 on the spot. Mm-hmm. So who in here feel like they can pick up their washing machine right now?
I seen it.
You seen it?
I seen the feet.
Oh, you seen Mark Henry. All right, y'all. Good night.